Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 132nd program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use radial gradient. We'll start with doctype HTML. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS, hashtag grade 1, height 400 pixel, width 500 pixel, border radius 90, border 1 pixel, solid line, background, radial gradient, now we'll end style tag, head tag, now we'll start body tag, h3, radial gradient, now we'll end DAV tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 132 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. But before that I will give you some information about radial gradient. Radial gradient is a CSS function that creates an image consisting of a progressive transition between two or more colors. So now let us check the output. Local dist HTML tag and 132nd program. So this is our basic output of how to use radial gradient tag, and don't forget to check the text in description for the clear and basic understanding. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for the amazing HTML videos.